Let's face it, we all know that dirty water doesn't clean anything. So why do we use single-chamber buckets with filthy, contaminated water and germ-saturated string mops? Outdated cleaning tools are not getting the job done. In fact, they're making things worse by leaving behind dirt and spreading dangerous germs they're supposed to be killing. There's a better, cleaner way to mop your floors. Introducing Unger OmniClean. Setting a new standard in floor cleaning, the OmniClean is a groundbreaking innovation in floor care. For the first time in history, you can clean your floors with clean water. The dual-chamber system separates the clean water from the dirty water. OmniClean removes more than 90% of the dirt from the floor, isolating it in the dirty bucket and allowing you to use clean water to get the job done right and leave your floors cleaner. With advanced design features, the OmniClean has a powerful scrub board to remove dirt, grime, and germs from the microfiber mop pad. The unique horizontal wringer removes remaining debris, leaving you with a clean mop pad. By using the charged bucket with clean water, you'll never clean with dirty water again. With OmniClean, the clean water chamber stays soil-free 13 times longer than single-chamber buckets, allowing you to clean 13 times more area before changing water. It's time to ditch that old mop and bucket and stop using dirty water to clean your floors. Switch to the cleanest, most effective, and innovative floor mopping system available. Start truly cleaning with OmniClean today. Unger, quality tools for smart cleaning.